Your remote not working all the time? Or having to get closer to the vehicle so it'll work on your Jeep Commander? Stop worrying. Let's change the battery first before calling a locksmith or even going to the dealership and see if that was the problem. I'll show you step by step in this video with no special tools, and all you need is a brand new CR2032 battery. Let's get started on this. Emergency key release right here. We are going to spring loaded, pull it towards you. Take your emergency blade, and when you pull out emergency blade, take that emergency blade, and you'll notice there's a little indentation over here. Put it in there and give her a twist, and she pops right open. After you open it up, I like to push down on the remote to make sure it's seated properly for when you put it back together. Take your emergency blade, and let's pop it under the battery. Old battery's out. Fresh new battery, not product placement. Positive side, which is the back, has a positive. Put it in, so positive side down. Snap the two halves back together, and if you do it right, it should go evenly around when you start snapping it. Hey, if you found this video helpful, please like and share and leave a comment below, and remember, let's be safe out there.